You know, I live in Houston County. I raised my daughter here, my wife's here, we have a home here. I don't foresee myself ever, under any circumstances, moving away from Houston County. And so I, just like everybody else, want to be able to go to the gas station at 10 o'clock at night and not fear for their life, right? And I can't say that is the case in every place in Middle Georgia. It's just not. That's the reality of it. And so when I see these things happen, when I see young children involved in serious crimes, you know, I'm not immune to that. I'm a human just like everybody else. Now, I may be a little bit more less sensitive to it, just based on being a Marine for 8 years and being a cop, you know, and things like that. But you know, there's reality in everything we do. There's collateral, but by and large, you know, you know, maybe it's the Marine in me or the cop, but I see these things happen, and although I am struck with sadness and fear for others and things like that, I think that I have an overriding sense of determination that comes into my perspective that reminds me that the next time I handle a case, when we're prosecuting folks, when we're advising law enforcement, when we're setting up the next operation or going after the next bad guy, to do it and make sure it's the best that we've done. To put in the work, to put in the time. If you got to lose some sleep, if you got to put a couple of things off to the side temporarily to do the job and make sure, you know, if it's a phone call, it's the best phone call I've got made. If it's a letter, to make sure it's the best one I've written. If it's the argument in court, to make sure it's the best argument I can make. Because, you know, we are the people that are empowered to follow through with prosecution. And although that doesn't resolve everybody's emotions and the things that are involved in cases, we play a huge part in, you know, the resolution in things that are very bad and very traumatic to people. And so I think when I see those things, when I see the dead bodies, or when I see I mean, God help me, but the dead children and things like that, it sends a signal in my body that we have to do our job better. And I hope that when those things happen, that I always wake up the next day that I will be a better lawyer, a better prosecutor, a better district attorney, a better leader, that I will advise law enforcement better, and that I will be more understanding of situations and just do the best that I can do while I'm here.